Hindi pa ready yung ano natin. Mega muna tayo.
Sige nga natin dito. Sabay lang po mga pan.
Ano ba yan, Roy?
Is it okay?
Hindi, doon tayo sa guitar.
Buti may kita. Hindi kayo lyrics na lang, maging mo is it okay? Is it okay?
May kanta yun.
Sino, is it okay lyrics?
May kanta nga yun eh.
May tipag mo.
Oo, hindi, ibig sabihin. Kakanta tayo, ba't siya kakantayin mo?
Tipag nyo yung lyrics lang.
Ano sasabihin ko?
Dito.
Dito? Ano sasabihin ko?
Is it okay?
Spelling.
Is.
Ay.
Is.
It's.
Hindi, isip lang. Walang
Yan.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Recording lang. Yan, down mo doon.
Oh.
Paul mo na. Paul McLean.
Sumama ba?
Ayan na!
Oh.
Tuloy na yan.
May kanta yan. Ayun. Sa bato na sumato.
Close up.
Saan? Yan. Di tayo kiti. Ano ba rin ito?
Ay, salit mo ko naman.
Huwag na yan po. Ay, na ito na lang.
Prasong ka praso lang eh. Sabihin tayo eh.
Tagal naman.
Dapat yung post mo.
Bakit nangyayari tayo? Oo. Isip.
Intro ka.
Wala kang intro yan. Puta rin mo. Pinapasok.
Eh, ganito intro niya.
Isip okay.
Wala ba? Oh.
Isip okay. Just give it time. Suwabe mo lang yung tao. Dandinig naman yung mura. If I know that you why if I ask of you, is this alright? If I ask you to hold me tight, should I cold dark night? Early it's cloudy day inside, and I need to let you know that mine beneath you alone. And what I'm trying to say is really you. It's just a thing that happened to me whenever I remind you. Like when I hear your name, see the place that you be, or see the picture of your dream, or past the arms that you have been, one time or another. And I'm something to me I can't explain, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh babe, I love your love. What I'm trying to say, it's really new. just the thing that happened to me when I remind you. Tignan mo, buo. Hindi ata tayo